Unlock your GRE potential. Dive into section-wise practice tests. Hello, dear learners. If you're here, you're probably looking to ace the GRE exam. Today, we'll dive deep into section-wise practice tests. These are a crucial tool to pinpoint your strengths and areas for improvement. So, let's understand what they are and why they matter. Section-wise practice tests are tests that focus on one specific section of the GRE, be it quantitative, verbal, or analytical writing. Instead of a full-length mock test that covers all sections, these are shorter and tailored to specific content areas. Benefits: targeted practice. Concentrate on one section at a time. Time efficiency. They're shorter than full-length tests. Immediate feedback. Know right away which topics within that section you need to work on. 1. Customized learning. If you know you're great at quantitative but need more focus on verbal, section-wise tests allow you to prioritize your preparation. 2. Build confidence. By seeing progress in one section, you'll boost your overall exam confidence. 3. Flexible scheduling. Only got 30 minutes? That's perfect for a section-wise test. 4. Diverse question pool. Since you're focusing on one section, you'll likely encounter a variety of questions specific to that area. 1. Diagnostic tool. Start your GRE prep by identifying which sections you're strong in and which need work. 2. Regular intervals. Incorporate section-wise tests into your regular study routine. 3. Post-review. After each test, review your answers. Understand why you got questions wrong and how to approach them differently next time. 4. Time management. Although section-wise, keep an eye on the clock. This will help train you for the real test scenario. And there you have it. Section-wise practice tests are a powerful tool in your GRE arsenal. They provide focused, efficient, and targeted practice to help you achieve your dream score. Remember, the key is consistent practice and review. Here's hoping this video was insightful, and we wish you all the best in your GRE journey.